Oh, yeah, and then,
This is how you were able to determine it was dominant.
what does dominant mean? Okay, so it means for A, it means both my answers are in the same row. But the intuition is that no matter what choice B chooses, low or high price, charging a low price is always my better strategy. Okay, same thing here for B. Regardless of what A does, charge low price or high price, it's always in the same left-hand column. That B has a, so there's, regardless of what A does, they're always better off going with the low price, so they have a dominant strategy as well. Yeah.
So how do you determine which number is first? Is the first number always?
The left-hand side number is always this left-hand side player.
Okay. So in that case, then why didn't B choose low instead of high? Because B would get 10 right as opposed to 2.
B is choosing between 2 and -8.
Why is that? Because A already chose low.
No, because B's payoffs are the right-hand side payoffs,
Okay.
and down here they're choosing between 10 and 6. And if B goes low, A is choosing between 2 and -8. Now, to give you a contrast, and that's a great question. Let's go to where it says use these tables to do 36 and 37. Okay? In this case, only one of them is going to have a dominant strategy and the other firm isn't. Okay? So it's also firm A and B. And I sometimes is not very imaginative, so I just went with low price and high price again. Okay, so I've got 9, 10, 8, 15, 7, -10, 11, 11. Okay, so firm B chooses low. A is choosing between 9 and 7, so they're going to choose 9. If B goes high, they're choosing between 8 and 11. Does A have a dominant strategy? Evan?
No.
No, why not?
Because they're not in the same.
They're not in the same row, but the idea is my best response depends on what you do. In this case, it's to go low price. In this case, it's to go high price. Okay? If it's like honesty is always the best policy, that's saying, no matter what the other guy does, me being honest is always the best policy. That's a dominant strategy. Right? It doesn't depend on what the other person does. Okay, now, if A goes low, B is choosing between 10 and 15. So they're going to choose the 15. Down here, if A goes high, they're choosing between -10 and a +11. So they're going to choose the 11. Does B have a dominant strategy? Evan?
Yes.
Yeah. What is it?
To just go high.
Just go high price. Okay, and that's because they're always better off going with the high price, regardless of whether A chooses the low price or the high price. Okay, so B has a, so this is going to be your Nash equilibrium, and B, let's see, so 36 says, which of the following is true? The dominant strategy for firm A is high price. Is that true? No. Part C says, a dominant strategy for firm B is low price. Is that true? No. There does not exist a dominant strategy for firm A. Is that true? Yes. So that is the answer to 36. It's B as in boy. And the Nash equilibrium for 37 is high, high. Because I got to get sometimes down here so that you can't just always assume it's low, low. Okay, yeah.
Nash equilibrium essentially is this is where they're going to place
Yes, because nobody has any incentive to defect. Okay? Yes.
So if that negative 10 was 12, there would be no Nash equilibrium, is that right?
If this were a 12, correct. There would be no, well, there would be, but it would be in a mixed strategy.
We didn't even know.
We didn't cover mixed strategies. So if you take the next level of game theory class, you go into that. What Nash proved, one of the things he proved in his dissertation is that there was always a Nash equilibrium if you include mixed strategies. We're not going there. Okay?